So we live in a gated community right outskirts of Guatemala City. The area is called Condado Naranjo. And anyway, it's really beautiful. It's so kid friendly. Sunday morning, I just brought my little one to the park. He's having a great time. Yeah, they have little pool slides here. It's like a community park here. Beautiful. The weather is so nice. It's probably low, mid-60s right now. Feeling a little bit of chill, a little bit of wind. Got a dinosaur park. Little obstacle course. People are having, I guess, birthday parties there. I guess, yeah. Some local families having a birthday party there. Setting up their birthday gig for their kids, I guess. That's cool. A good idea. Are you coming? Look, Ari, they're setting up for the birthday party. Do you want to have your birthday party out there next time? That's not a bad idea. And on the other side there, I'll probably get videotape next time. They have like a little dog obstacle course that the community people can use it for their dogs. Pretty cool. Yeah, love this little park. Bye guys. Ari, you want to say bye-bye? How do you say bye-bye in Spanish? Can you say adios? Okay, say bye-bye. I'm waiting. Little spray park here. Mini spray cup, that's cute. Yeah, I'm waiting, Ari. Ari's trying to clean it. You're gonna get wet, Ari. Ah! Are you cleaning your car? Oh, cute spray park here. Well, this one doesn't work. Ah, you're gonna get wet, right? That one doesn't work. That one does. Oh, okay, right here. Ah, almost. There you go. It's clean pretty good.